Time again for Behind the Law with Dennis Vetrano. Welcome back, Dennis.
Good to see you, Joe.
You know, you hear the story, you've seen the movies where someone comes home and their partner has cleaned out the house. They're gone. It's over. They've taken everything.
Yeah.
Does that ever happen? Is that a true situation?
Yeah, we've had those circumstances before. And you know, my advice initially to clients in that sort of circumstances, step back and take a deep breath first. Allow yourself an opportunity to kind of deal with the shock of that happening. And then you have to distinguish when you say they've taken everything, what exactly have they taken? Because my conversation with clients early on, in many cases, is, what has real value in this case? What are you seeking to accomplish? And that's kind of part of the conversation. What has real value? Clearly, your family, your kids have real value, of course. Many times pets have real value. And then you get into the financial things, the house, the pension plan, the cash accounts. So when somebody says, comes in and does a consultation and says, "Hey, Dennis, my wife or my husband left and they took off with their paramour and they moved out of state and they took all the furniture, they put it in a moving van and they left."
Yeah.
And then I say, well, if the kids are with you and the pets are with you and, you still are in the house, the marital residence, I mean, those are the things of real value. So, okay, I understand there's a lot of emotions connected to this and you need to deal with those. And I certainly suggest, a worthwhile counselor to assist you in working through that. But once you sift through that and set those issues aside and you have those properly addressed, look, somebody's moved out and they've decided they don't want to be with you anymore. That is a relationship that presumably was not workable for you anyhow. So that's the first step. And the second thing is, if all the things that have real value, again, family and animals in my mind first, certainly, financial assets second. But look, if somebody took the couch, what I tell clients is, I don't care how much you paid for that couch over at Raymore and Flanagan's. I'm telling you right now, when we get involved in the divorce case, that $5,000 couch in my mind is worth whatever you can get at a garage sale. $10, $25, $50. So forget about the couch. That's not important. It's family and animals and then major financial assets. Those are the things that have real value in your case.
Good advice, as always, from Dennis. To find out more about Dennis and his firm, please visit his website.
drvetranolaw.com.
Dennis, always good to see you.
Good to see you, Joe.